أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على رسوله الأمين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to our channel Developing Human and the Quran. And in today's presentation, we are discussing about the semen and the development of the baby. Let's get started. I am Dr. Khazi Syed Javid. I am the consultant orthopedic surgeon. Allah says in Surah Al-Insan, chapter 76, verse number 2.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا إنا خلقنا الإنسان من نطفة أمشاج نبتليه فجعلناه سميعا بصيرا.
The English translation goes, Verily we created man from nutfa, drops of mixed semen, that is discharge of man, in order to try him, so we made him hearer and seer. In other words, the Quran says that the mankind was created from the nutfa, which means a discharge of man, also called ejaculate, also called as semen in the medical terms. And Allah goes on to say that this is a mixed semen. In other words, it is not a single fluid, but it is mixture of fluids coming from mixture of the glands, not from a single source, but it is a mixed semen. Now let's see whether these scientific verses or facts are compatible with the modern science or not. And let's look into the scientific facts. Now this is a clinical photograph of the semen. It is 5 to 7 ml in quantity, whitish to grayish in color. And we are discussing about now the sources of the semen. Now we look into the scientific facts that the sources of the semen are testis, which is 5%, seminal vesicles 46 to 80%, prostate gland constitutes 13 to 33%, and bulbourethral and urethral glands contributes 2 to 5% of the seminal fluid. These are scientifically proven. Now let's look into the clinical photograph. This is the photograph of the testis. It contributes 5% of the semen. Now look into this. This is seminal vesicles contributes quite a large portion, 46 to 80%. The prostatic gland contributes 13 to 33%. And here are located the bulbourethral glands, which constitutes 2 to 5% of the semen. And these are all scientific facts which are proven worldwide. Now let's look into the video. The video is a 3D dimension of the male reproductive system. And if you see here very closely, these are the testes. These are the vas deferens. And these are the seminal vesicles. These are the prostate gland and bulbourethral glands. Here we see that the semen is contributing 5% of the semen. The seminal vesicle contributes 46 to 80% of the semen. Prostate contributes 13 to 33% and bulbourethral glands 2 to 5%. These are all scientifically proven facts. In summary, we see that the semen is a mixture of secretion from various glands. These are scientifically proven. And the Quran foretold these scientific facts 1400 years ago when there were no modern scientific equipments. Hence, we conclude that the Quran is compatible with modern science, and we say the Quran is the true word of Allah and Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the true messenger of Allah. Thank you very much.